Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Edward Yi, General Manager of Overseas Market in Pairdeer, with 20 years experience in the battery industry. Today, I would like to take this opportunity to talk about the battery in the world, especially for mobile power. Mobile power is becoming more and more important to everyone in today's digital powered world. The battery industry, including disposable alkaline batteries, is growing. Alkaline Battery Market Research Report forecasts the global alkaline battery market will generate more than $9 billion in the 2018 to 2022 5-year period. Despite the evolution of electronics over the past decades, for example, replacement of portable stereos with iPods and iPhones, we still depend on disposable batteries to power a lot of our everyday essential electronics, computer, mice, remote controls, electronic toys, and smoke detectors. The Consumer Reports recommend certain lithium batteries for power-hungry high-tech devices like cameras. Alkaline are still the go-to economical option for many basic items like flashlights and remote controls. Believe it or not, there are few countries are manufacturing alkaline batteries. USA, China, Germany are the major ones. The annual output of alkaline battery worldwide is about 30 billion pieces. Top 3 ones are Duracell, Pairdeer, and Pairdeer. Though most of the alkaline batteries in the world are still made with famous brands, we, as the largest OEM alkaline battery manufacturer, also see more and more private label alkaline battery enter the market and growing rapidly. As the new age of the internet is developed, consumers are more and more rational, as well as for shopping. They will consider to turn to private label, which has equivalent quality, but with much more sharp cost. However, just as heavy-duty battery, also named carbon zinc battery, commercialization in 19th century, we also can find them in some low-drain devices now. We think alkaline battery will be the main mobile devices pulse, since it's the first battery in 1949. During long history, it is still the most important one in daily life. In the coming few decades, lithium battery will gradually replace alkaline batteries, where its cost is getting more attractive than now. Pairdeer is for the leading alkaline battery manufacturer in the world, is setting for its 60th anniversary this year, and will keep on devoting to the development of bringing better mobile power solutions to the world. Thank you. 有一些